How to open or create Shopee account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to open or create Shopee account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.shopee.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Shopee. Here, go ahead and select your country, and now in the interface that you will be led to, on the top right of the dashboard, you will see the option for sign up. Tap on that. Now, in order to sign up, you will have to enter your mobile number firstly. So go ahead and enter your mobile number and tap on next. Now follow the on-screen prompts further to complete the registration process. You can also choose to sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Simply enter your login details of any of the following account and you will be signed in to Shopee. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.